highlights of the Buffalo to Rochester segment of the Erie Canalway Trail with the Death by Double Paceline crew, June of 2022. Here's the route we took from Buffalo to Rochester.
This is our first day out on the Erie Canalway Trail. We are just about 3 miles onto the trail and heading toward the Peace Bridge, linking the United States to Canada. Circle. Morning. Unless I'm mistaken, this is the beginning of the Erie Canal, actually branching off the Niagara River.
Here's a longer segment of the Erie Canalway Trail. Quite a few low bridges on this portion. The trail itself is in really good condition, well packed. This is about where I began to experience a pretty serious sunburn on my right leg and right arm. Something to watch out for if you're doing this trail all in one direction.
Heading into Spencerport. It's 3:45 on Friday. According to the GPS, we're just a bit over 80 miles into today's ride. Oh, crosswalk. Here we go. Towpath Park. Follow the bollards, that's right. If you see a bollard, you're in the right spot.
As we got closer to Rochester, we noticed a bit more traffic on the trail. At some point along this segment, we stopped to look for a bolt that fell off one of the bikes. The bolt was never recovered, but a replacement was found. You can see the surface switches back from stone dust to asphalt, and we had to cross over a bridge here to get to the other side of the canal. Coming into Rochester, we were able to all stick together in a nice, tight double pace line.